So if it's a non-prime number, right, let's focus on the same thing, right? Highest power of 6 in 84 factorial. What you need to do is, see, 6 is basically 3 power 1 into 2 power 1, right? So I am just splitting into prime. So I need to first find the highest power of 3 and highest power of 2 in 84 factorial. What I know in the previous is that I know highest power of 2 in 84 factorial is 81. Right? Let me find for 3 as well. 84 by 3. 84 by 3 square is 9. I'm not putting this, but yeah. 84 by 27 and 84 by 81. And everything else would be 0 from here. So this would be 3 2s are 6, 3 8s are. This would be 9 9s are point something. 27 3s are 81 point something. And 1 point something, right? So it's basically 28 plus 9 plus 3 plus 1. So that's 41. So what do you mean by that? 84 factorial is technically 2 power 81 into 3 power 41 into something else. Basically everything else has nothing to do with the 2 and 3. I have squeezed every 2 and 3 available into this part, right? That's what the prime. This will be rest of the other prime numbers like 5 or 7, etc. So for finding the highest power of 6, I need to have 1 3 and 1 2. That means I can do 2 power 41 into 3 power 41 into 2 power 40, because 81 is bigger than 41, so I'm just splitting this. So this will be fundamentally 6 power 41 into something. So the highest power of 6 is 41. Right? By chance, to just clarify this further, right? What I was asking was, let's say 12. Highest power of 12 in 84 factorial, right? 12 is basically 2 square into 3 power 1. So to get 12, I need to have 2 2's and 1 3, right? So what is this? So 84 factorial is again 2 power 81 into 3 power 41 into some rest of the other prime numbers. So I need to have 2 2's for 1 3 to get 12. So I do 2 power 40 into 2 power 40 to 3 power 40 into 2 into 3. I'm leaving this 2 power 40 plus 2 power into 2 power 40 into 2 is 2 power 81. 3 power 40 into 3 is 3 power 41. I've split this in such a way that I can actually get 2 into 2 into 3 is 12 power 40. See, I am having 2 into 3, that's only 6. I'm short of 1 2 to actually increase this 41. So highest power is 40. Right? This might look very complicated for you for now. Please do watch it again if you're confused. Right? So when it's non-prime numbers, split them into prime numbers. Not always you'll have 3 power 1 into 2 power 1 or some power 1s, right? Sometimes you might have 12 is 2 square into 3 power 1. That means to find highest power of 12, I need to find 2 2's for 1 3 to actually get 12. So I have 2 power 81 and 3 power 41, right? So that means I have 41 3's. I need to have 82 2's, because for 1 3 I need to have 2 2's to get 12, right? But I am only having 81 2's. So that means I am short of 1 2 to actually get 41 12's. So that means I only have 40 12's. Right, so the answer is 40 for the 12. So you have to be careful on that part, how you do this. Now let's understand that sometimes you will see questions in other formats but asking you the same thing. What you have been seeing till now, find the highest power of 10 into 43, right? I mean, this is a non-prime number. I'm saying highest power of something in some factorial or some number. If the question is saying if 243 factorial is divisible by 10 power a, what is the maximum value of a? That's fundamentally asking the highest power only, right? So I'll get 243 factorial is basically 10 power a into some other which are not related to this. So I'll get the highest power itself as the maximum value. That's the highest power, right? Find the number of trailing zeros. This is something special to 10, like zeros actually. Trailing zeros are, what is 5 factorial? I have one trailing zero, right? Something like 10 factorial would have two zeros, some number and then two zeros. So that these are the trailing zeros they're talking. Fundamentally, the 1 0 is like having 10 power 1, right? So this is 10 square. So they're asking me to find the same thing. How many basically trailing zeros are highest power of 10 are this. So for 10, the shortcut is this. 10 is not a prime number. I have to again split into 5 power 1 into 2 power 1. But always understand the 2 occurs much more frequently than 5. So I don't need to even bother about this. I'll only check with 5 using my technique. 243 by 5 plus 243 by 5 square plus 243 by 5 cube plus 243 by 5 power 4. This is 625. So anyway, it's 0. Everything from here will be 0. So it will be 5 4s are 20, 5 8s are 25, 9s are 225, 125, 1s are. So that's where it stops. So it's 58. Right? 48 plus 9 plus 1 is 58. So the highest power of 10 is 10 power 58. So the maximum value that can divide is basically A is 58. That's the maximum. The number of trailing zeros are also 58. Right, so let's solve a few problems to basically revise the same thing. So it said number of trailing zeros. As I said, 10 is what they're asking for, highest power of 10. So 5 power 1 into 2 power 1. I don't need to worry about it. I'll only focus on 2. So 123 by 5 plus 123 by 5 square 25 plus 123 by 5 cube. This itself is more than 125 is 5 cube. So it's already 0 point something. 25 4s are 100 4 point something. So I'll ignore the decimal. 5 524s are right. 120 is I don't have 24 point something. So I'm rounding it off as integer. 28 is the 24 plus 4 plus 0. 28 is the number of trailing zeros for 123 factorial. Highest power of 6 in 72. As I said, 6 is yeah 3 power 1 into 2 power 1. So I'll find the highest power of 3 in 72 and 2 in 72, and then I'll answer this. Highest power of 3 in 72 is 72 by 3 square is 9. 72 by 3 cube is 27. 72 by 81 is 3 power 4. So this is 0. Everything will be 0 from here. 27 3s are sorry 81, right? 27 3s are, so it's basically 27 2s are 2 point something. This is 9 8s are. This is 3 6 sorry 3 2s are 3 4s are. So 24 plus 8 plus 2, that's 34. The highest power of 3 is 34. Highest power of 2 in 72 is 2 by 2. 72 by 2 square is 4. 72 by 4 2 cube is 8. 72 by 16 is 2 power 4. 72 by 32 2 power 5 64. This will be 0 point something, so I can stop from 36 18 9 16 4s are 64. That's the closest. 2 point something 32 2s are 64. 64 1s are. So that will be 36 plus 18 plus 9 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. Yeah. So 54, 63, 67, 69, 70. So that's 70. Right? For every 1 3, I need to have 1 2. So that means I have 34 3s and I have more than 34 2s. So 34 is enough. 34 2s are available and 34 3s are available. So 72 factorial is basically 6 power 34 into something. 34 is the answer for this.